Alright guys, working on an 88 Ford F-150. As you can see, I already started to tear apart the steering column. The opportunity I was having was the ignition mechanism broke, and so I went ahead and bought a new one. While I was at it, since the truck is 30 plus years old, I decided to go ahead and replace a few other key components so I don't have to turn around and tear apart again in the future. So I'm going to be installing the ignition switch, new one, old stock Motorcraft part. Also going to install a new blinker. Already has assembly here. Now I know a lot of videos online you can see where people are replacing these and they cut them. I really didn't want to cut it and then solder it and then just have a big mess. So what you can actually do is unpin this on the tail. When you get it new, it has this red piece or maybe a different color, but it's basically just a safety locking mech. And you just pry it out simply with a flathead screwdriver, small or something key. I also bought these keys on Amazon. They're okay. They are kind of flimsy, but you know, for $12–13, it's not a huge expense. Once you pry this piece out, just pull it out. Then you can take one of these keys or take another tool and then pull back. As you can see here, if I can get to it. Yeah, bear with me. As you can see, I just push that lever back, let this focus a little bit. And once you do that, then you can just pull the wire out. And it just comes out nice and clean. Of course, before you do it, make sure you make some notes and just write down what color goes in what slot. So when you feed it down through the steering column, then you can just plug it back in the right order. All right, I'm gonna stop there, and in the next video we'll continue.